Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 4-volt automatic tape measure, the model PDMB A1 from Parkside without a power adapter. Precise rangefinder with analog and digital display. Accuracy 0.5 mm more or less, measuring units millimeter, feet, inch, with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. And we have the cable for charging, type A to type C with 1.5 meters. I like it. The manual. Powered by 4-volt rechargeable battery, providing smooth and consistent operation without the need to replace the battery. Equipped with a clear LCD screen that displays measurements in both metric and imperial units. Digital tape measure. I like the buttons, soft elements around at the buttons, belt clip. We have the rewind button here and the power button, up and down button, zero button, base button, unit button, the delete button. The tape. Wow! And here we have the laser line. It can stay just like that, at this position. The Type-C port for charging. Let's give it a charge, fully charge it, and then I will use it. Beautiful and large display, I just love it. I think it is okay. Let's unplug. Turn on, press this button for 2 seconds and start the measurement. Pull the measure tape. Automatically the laser it is on and we can see at the display 0.227. One meter. Perfect. You can do adjustments. It is very accurate. I like that. Press this button to pull the measure tape. Press this button again. We have the first measurement, second measurement, third, 4. It can save up to 999 measurements. With an up and down button, you can choose the measurement. Delete button, you can delete one of these measurements. There it is. Press again, take a new measurement. Here we have the unit button, change the unit. Now it is inch, 1 to 32. Press this button for 2 seconds, the unit button. And then the up and down button, the 32, now it is 16. And here is changing all the values. Unit button again. Wow, just love it. I like the display, it is so clear. You can change the measurement from the top side of the product to the bottom side from here. So you can do that by pressing this button for 2 seconds. And we can see here it's changing the icon again. Now it is from the front. Press again, now is measuring from the back. If you choose from the back, the laser, it will stay off. Press and hold again. Now it is from the front. To turn on the laser, press this button again. There it is. You can switch on the laser. Very easy to understand how it works, this measurement tape. And if you have any problems with the calibration, when the tape is retracted and you don't see zeros here, press this zero button for 2 seconds to calibrate. Let's see how long it is the tape. Wow! Okay. 750 centimeters. I pull it too much, so okay. And very fast to retract all the tape. New measurement. I just love it. It's so cool. And it costs only 20 euros. The price is amazing. So affordable. And with the up and down button, you can check all the measurements. As I mentioned, maximum 999 measurements. And you can see here second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7. And of course, by pressing this button, you can switch it off and press again to turn on. With the zero button, you can press and do the measurement in sections. We can see this icon here. Or you can do the regular measurements. We can see this icon near the measurement. Arrow at the left, arrow at the right and at the left. Use cases: home repairs, take accurate measurements for furniture assembly, wall mounting and other repairs. Construction, measure materials and spaces on construction sites. Carpentry, ensure precise cuts and fittings in woodworking projects. Crafting, measure materials for crafting and model buildings. Interior design, take room dimensions for planning and decorating. If you are someone who values convenience, precision and efficiency, this automatic tape measure is definitely worth adding to your toolkit. It's a small upgrade that can make a big difference in your projects. And that's it everyone, we've just taken a closer look at the Parkside automatic tape measure. And I have to say, this is a fantastic tool for everyone who needs quick and accurate measurements. With its automatic retraction, compact design and easy to read display, it's perfect for DIY enthusiasts, professionals or anyone who wants to simplify their measuring tasks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, DIY tips and project ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, keep measuring, keep building and I'll see you in the next video.